County in Northern California, eastern Tehama County in Northern California, until 2:15 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 8:48 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Parkburn Scar with rain rate over a half inch to 0.50 in 30 minutes possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the warning area will cause mudslides near steep terrain. The mudslide can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Parkburn Scar. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Parkburn Scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chico, Mineral, Payne Creek, Forest Ranch and Richardson Springs. Additional locations include Mud Creek, Rock Creek, Pine Creek, Deer Creek, Mill Creek, Antelope Creek, and Payne Creek. The heaviest rain is over the northern part of the burn scar, but is expected to slowly spread south over all of the burn area through the evening. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extended